Mr. Tonko, please continue.
Is the resolve of the default crisis. I didn't hear the advocacy from the other side about paying our bills. I'm hearing about cutting away at middle class values and middle class needs. I didn't hear about the default crisis in paying our bills. We're saying we need to respond to a default crisis. And we're also talking about a jobs agenda. We haven't seen one jobs bill in the House brought forth, and that is a major concern because the job crisis, when resolved by producing jobs and investing in jobs, resolves the revenue crisis, the spending crisis, the deficit crisis. So we need to go forward.
Could you yield for just a moment?
Certainly.
You moved to a subject that we really want to get to, which is jobs.
Well, just on the Medicare piece, if I could just say one thing. When we fall short on the Medicaid side, it falls again upon a property taxpayer. And again, if you're on a fixed income, as many seniors are, and again, the disproportionate number of women in households in the senior years are going to be, again, impacted by a property tax that, when levied on that home, doesn't know if you're unemployed, on fixed income, underemployed, so it will be hitting a retiree on fixed income very, very hard. And so we're transferring from a progressive income tax and a progressive series of taxes at the federal level on over to a state situation where it's going to trickle down into a property tax, which is grossly unfair.
And on to individuals. Let's move on beyond